Hello, my fellow Cataquackers. I got bored waiting for Ghost Nation, so now I'm trying to beat this plumber guy. I have this Taco Bell sound effect speaker, so I'm a lock-in.
This dirty Cataquack behind me, shut your mouth, you stupid blue ball!
Oh, you shut up. How dare you disrespect the king of Peach Beach. I'm gonna send this plumber back to my damn toilet. That burrito still needs to be unclogged.
Get red shells, you dirty Cataquack! Go back to the beach, where you belong!
Shut your biggie, plumber. Up, I'm better. You little plumber toilet muncher.
I'll get revenge on you by Cataquackers.